Mr. White sees his accountant to discuss his end-of-year accounts and tells him, "High company tax means cash flow is tight. How can we reduce my tax bill?" Mr. White's accountant puts him in touch with pensionpractitioner.com to see if they can help reduce Mr. White's company tax but maintain cash flow. Mr. White tells John at Pension Practitioner that his business owns a commercial property worth £400,000. His mortgage outstanding is £200,000. His pre-tax profits for the year is £140,000. John at Pension Practitioner tells Mr. White that subject to regulated financial advice, he can set up a SSAS and contribute equity from the property to a pension scheme and get company tax relief. Mr. White is delighted with this advice and tells John to get this organised for him. John at Pension Practitioner obtains clearance with the mortgage company and the SSAS is set up. The accountant confirms to John that £100,000 can be contributed, which is undertaken by a transfer of equity in the property. This means that Mr. White's company taxable profit is reduced from £140,000 to £40,000, giving a saving of £20,000 in tax and without affecting cash flow. John sees Mr. White and arranges the completion of the documents to allow the equity transfer to be made to the SSAS. The following year, a further tranche of the property is contributed to his SSAS, and Mr. White's business once again receives tax relief of £20,000, as his profit was the same as the previous year. As the mortgage stays in the company, all mortgage repayments can then allow further equity to be contributed to Mr. White's SSAS. This solution is a very tax-efficient way of contributing into a pension scheme, but keeping cash in the business.